What's up guys? Good day. Good afternoon ma'am. So my name is Lawrence Sopat, BS in Agriculture, major in Agronomy. For this video, we're going to report our topic, Silubayos. Silubayos is produced as an intermediate in the hydrolysis of the polysaccharide Silubayos. Like maltose, Silvbios contains two D-glucose monosaccharide units. It differs from maltose in that one of the D-glucose units, that one functioning as a chemical, must have a configuration. It is important to distinguish between the structural notation used for an 1 to 4 glycoside linkage and that used for B glycoside linkage. Instead of the configuration for maltose, this change in configuration results in vital 1 to 4 glycoside linkage. So, Silubayos is a disaccharide, meaning it's composed of two monosaccharide units. These units are both D-glucose. The key difference between Silubayos and maltose lies the type of glycoside linkage connecting the two glucose molecules. Maltose has one A glycoside linkage. This means the bond is formed between carbon 1 of one glucose molecule and carbon 4 of the other glucose molecule. Silubayos has a glycoside linkage. The only difference is that the bond is formed between carbon 1 of one glucose molecule and carbon 4 of the other. This seemingly small difference in configuration significantly impact the molecule's properties and how it's moved. Despite the dissimilarities, maltose and Silbayos have different biochemical behaviors. These differences are related to the stereochemistry of the glycosidic linkage. Maltose have enzyme that breaks the glucose linkage present in maltose is found both in human body and yeast. Consequently, maltose is distinguished easily by human and is readily fermented by yeast. Both human body are yeast-like enzyme cell base needed to break the glucose linkage of Silbayos. The difference in glycoside linkage leads to difference by biochemical behaviors. Maltose, the enzyme that breaks down the linkage in maltose, is present in both humans and yeast. Therefore, humans is digest maltose and yeast can ferment it. So, Silbayos, the enzyme required to break down the linkage in Silbayos, is absent in human and yeast. Consequently, Silbayos cannot be digested by human or fermented by yeast. And that's all my topic, our short topic, Silbayos. Hopefully you have learned and you understand. And that's all. Thank you for watching.